Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Pro Tennis Racket for adults. A versatile 27-inch speed tennis racket perfect for both beginners and professionals alike. This racket boasts a lighter weight and larger surface, making it easy to handle while playing, and its integrated structure enhances anti-deformation and shock absorption for a more stable performance. The handle is designed with comfort in mind, featuring 2 layers of overgrip, a basic overgrip and a replaceable sweat-absorbent non-slip overgrip, ensuring better control and comfort during intense matches. Equipped with vibration dampeners and additional overgrips, this racket allows for improved ball control, helping you direct the ball with precision and power. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this racket is engineered to meet your needs on the court. Plus, our dedicated after-sales service team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns, promising a response within 24 hours to ensure your satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.